to the Scottish Outdoor Boys!
Come with us as we camp on Loch Lomond's most famous island. We're going to cook some nice food and of course some warm bread and honey butter. Going to do a bit of fishing and just overall have lots of fun.
So what we're going to do first is we're going to locate one of these wee islands, one that we can safely take the boat onto. I've never done that before, so that's going to be new for us. We're going to set up camp, take it there. That's us just beached the boat on an island called Inchmurrin. I've tied it up just there, as you can see, double tied it just in case. I've never done any of this stuff before, so I don't know if it's going to bloody blow away or no, so I just wanted to be double sure. As you can probably see, Freddie's found a swing. So somebody's been here before. He's over there swinging round on it. We came to the side of the island that's not got much waves, as you can see just here. There's plenty of other islands to explore, but we seen this and it looked perfect for what we were looking for. Calm waters, no wind because it's at the side that doesn't get it. And as we were coming in to this wee bay here, the fish finder was picking up on plenty of fish. So hopefully yous are in store to see us catch some of them. Let's get this tent set up, Freddie boy. Careful, careful! Got you on video. We always get the tent set up first before we do anything else, because see if they big dirty clouds rain, we need shelter. If you've not already, please like and subscribe the video. Just in here, click on it and hit subscribe.
If you want to.
If you want to. I'm finally set up, as you can see. The boat's beached in the background. I've got some of the fishing gear out because I'm just about to set the rods up. But I'll let you see our wee spot for tonight. That is where the fire's going. Now the whole reason I'm lighting a fire today is I'm not going to be lighting a big one, but Scotland is renowned for its midges. So I'll be lighting a fire to keep the midges away. This is our tent for the night. It's a Westlake Pro. Freddie's in there getting a wee shot of his iPad. This is my bed here. I'm on this one because he's totaled his sleeping system.
I was stuck under there.
We've got our cooler with our food. So we're going to just get the rods out. We're keeping that down just now for the midges. We're going to get the rods out just now. With a couple of dead baits on and a wee trout rod. I maybe do a bit of lure fishing with a nice can of Diet Coke. So the first rod that I'm putting out has got this sardines on it, 2 treble hooks, 20 line braid and a wire trace. I'm just going to walk out, get it out as far as I can. I'm going to do the same with the next rod and then a wee trout one. Now the next one that I'm going to cast out for the pike has got this stuff on it. Predator Plus bait tech. Now, I don't know if that works or no, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to cast this out and see if that's the one that catches a fish. That stuff will be going on everyone. On the last rod, what I've put on it, tried and tested method. If you've kept up with our other videos, you'd have seen us use this before. Basically what I'm using is a mice tail from power bait, along with actually some power bait. So I'm going to cast this out just now. That's on a 6-pin line. So that same setup, I'm going to jump up now, make some dinner for me and Freddie. So just before we go for dinner, I'm just going to show you this stuff. This is what we use. It's from a company called Avon. If you're ever going camping in Scotland, come out of the way. If you're ever going camping in Scotland, this is what you need. This keeps the midges away. It's designed to keep your skin so soft. And that's what it's called. Avon Skin So Soft.
Just put it all over in there. Just put it all
Here,
over
come here and
the
I'll put some on you.
Me.
This stuff is absolutely brilliant, man.
Everyone needs it.
Come here, I put this on you. Trust me.
Yeah.
That's you. We're in the tent. The rain's just started. We're just about to cook up some food. What would you like me to cook you, Freddie?
Spam.
We're going to make spam like the famous outdoor boys. Before we start cooking anything, I've read up too much about people cooking inside their tents. Carbon monoxide poisoning. I've bought this wee alarm, I'm going to hang it up. If it beeps in any way, shape or form, we're not cooking in a tent. Purely a safety measure. So we're going to be doing that, and I will put the link to this in the description.
And
Yep.
it's hard to get spam in Scotland.
Spam up for a special treat. Spam up for an anniversary. Smell it? Smells like dog food.
Half a bag of pork.
Us Scottish outdoor boys leave absolutely zero behind. Should we do, wee man? Zero.
We've never cooked this before.
Never. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Nice bit of jelly in it. This was Freddie's idea to get the spam. So we're going to cube it. We'll put it into nice wee cubes.
How do you even eat it? Out the can?
I don't know. You're the one that says you wanted it.
Let me check what you do. I feel like it's ready to eat, hot or cold.
Yeah, we're cooking it.
Yeah.
So we're having spam tonight and ribeye steak tomorrow. Freddie's knocking back the bread. It's just about bedtime, so we're going to have some nice fresh bread and honey butter. Of course, what else?
You smush it in.
So she's probably know by now, we've not got any utensils, so we're kind of struggling a wee bit. Isn't we, wee man?
Plopping a big bit on.
Just plopping a big bit on, as Freddie says.
Can I touch it? Make a big balloon.
You can't make a big balloon. Look, oh, here we go. Right, let's spread that right out over that pan. So what we'll do is we'll cook it till it's nice and red hot, nice and crispy at the bottom.
This is just all butter. We didn't have oil or anything like that. We're no big fans of oil. So we're cooking it in butter. And then we're going to make some nice hot honey butter in that. Mmm. I think I'm making a naan bread. Oh, don't be touching that one.
So, is it hot?
No, it's not hot, but it's kind of like chewing gum. No, we'll just leave it now. Oh, we're jamming, look at that wee man. Woohoo! It's a nice big naan bread, that's what that is. Look at this, troops. Ah. Big. Oh, it's a big loaf. Let's get that up on there. There we go, that'll be good in there. Look, oh! Is it all sizzling?
There's already half one.
Let's show the camera that, look. Oh, there was a bite alarm. The blue one. Ooh. We have Hilltop Clear Honey. You want to put it in?
Yeah.
Here then. Just don't go close to the pot, just that'll do you. And just keep putting in. All of it'll do, wee man. Get all of that in there. On you go, son. Just let it all drip in. Oh, there you go, look. Oh, you're missing. It's okay, don't worry about it. Oh, the blue one again, wee man, we're getting a wee nibble. I think the honey butter might need to wait. Wow, honey butter, honey butter. Oh, that was inevitable, wasn't it? Woohoo! Right, wee man, we're going to get tore into this. Very hot.
I'm not.
Ah, let it cool down for a while. Ready, get the camera and video me. Pike, you're out there, wee man. So we were just eating we were just about to eat our bread and honey butter. And I got a run on the rod with the, I don't know if you heard it on the camera, but basically the rod with the Predator red gel or whatever it was, red blood stuff on it. I got a wee run on that. By the time I got to the rod, there was nothing. Not a trace of anything. But it was definitely a run because it was... I could do that again if you want. From the beepers. I've just left it. The bait could be off it, it might not be. I don't think it was on because I put it on my bait elastic. So we're going to leave it, we're going to see. I'm going to be honest, it's filled me with absolute excitement. Well, that's us, we've had a successful yet unsuccessful fishing trip so far. We're going to hit the hay now. We'll see you on in the morning. Fingers crossed we can get one through the night. I've got the wee alarm here. You getting up if we catch one? Didn't think so. Come on. It's got me out of my bed for this. There's definitely something knocking it around. This fish is definitely messing with me. It's like 12:30 at night. I was just nodding off. Good morning. That's us just woke up. Well, when I say us, I mean me. Freddie's still up there sleeping. He took the bed off me, as you can see, and I ended up on the thin air mattress. I'm going to give this place a wee tidy and put on some breakfast. And most importantly, some coffee. As you could probably see, I never caught any fish last night. I was getting tormented with one, but it didn't take the bait. Fingers crossed we can get one today. So yesterday I had a wee punt on these two. I'm going to retire them for just now, just for today, and I'm going to try one of these. Savage gear and 3 Westons. I'm going to go for the Savage gear first. That's the Savage gear lure gone. See if we can get any luck. Come on, surely if you're watching this far you've subscribed. Maybe if you subscribe, I'll catch a fish. Just a thought. This is day 2 of fishing. I've lost a lure, I've broke my tripod, I've caught 0 fish. I was tormented at night with one of the fish, but we never stopped. Dinosaurs too.
No, I don't think it is.
I know I can't deal with them. It's my enemies. I'm mad about you.
Spider-Man 2. Ribeye steaks. And a bit of chilling. So like any good campers, we leave this island how we found it, nice and clean. A bag of rubbish on the boat, which we're going to bin on the way home. Well, that's us, as you can see in the background. Just put the boat back onto the trailer. It wasn't the weather for it this weekend, so we only made it the one night. However, we do plan to do every island on Loch Lomond. That's the first time we've ever stayed on a haunted island. But we never seen any ghosts or anything, so it was pretty fine. So that being the most haunted island in the United Kingdom, we didn't really see any spooky stuff, did we? So we didn't think it was that haunted. Apparently it's the most haunted island in the world. But I was fine with you. If you liked the video, please like and
No,
subscribe.
actually, I hurt myself 2 times on
Hurt
one
yourself
spin.
2 times, huh?